Hi everyone, this is a quick tutorial on how to use talking points for teachers. In today's video, we'll be covering how to add students to your account using our handy-dandy Excel or Google Sheets templates. We understand that going through the process of typing in each student manually is pretty time-consuming, which is why we've made it possible to add a bunch of students at once from one general list that you can later keep for your own records. If you haven't already done so, make sure to download either the Excel template or the Google Sheets template from your Add Contacts Yourself page. You can find them right here and right here. We've also made sure to include instructions in each of the templates so that you can read the same things that I'm telling you. But if you're a verbal learner like me, stick along with this video and I'll explain just how to do it. First, I'll go over how to use the Google Sheets template as there's one more step involved. After you click on the Google Sheets link, the spreadsheet should open in a new tab in your browser. You'll also notice that the permission will be set to View Only. This is not an accident. In order to be able to edit your own copy, you'll first need to hit File and then Make a Copy. Hit OK, and a new copy will open up that you can edit. Now, you'll be able to enter the data in the Contact Sheet tab at the bottom. The Excel template, on the other hand, is pretty straightforward, and you'll just need to open it up once it downloads. Now that you have access to the template you want to use, entering data into both is exactly the same. But for this case, I'll go ahead and do it into the Google template sheet. You'll notice that there are only 7 columns to fill out. The first 2 are student first name and student last name, respectively. These columns are pretty self-explanatory and are mandatory. You'll see that we have a couple examples already set up for Susie Sample. The next 2 columns are contact first name and contact last name. These 2 columns are noted above and are optional. We did this because we know that some teachers or schools may not know their students' contact names. But here we have filled out Greg Sample and Lisa Sample as Susie Sample's parents. In the next column, you will, however, need to select the contact's relationship to the student from our drop-down menu. But if you don't know what the relationship is, you can either select Relative or Other. Next, you'll also have to select the contact's home language from the language drop-down menu that contains all of the languages that we support. Please make sure that you select from the menu and don't type it in manually, as this typing it in may mean that your contacts don't upload correctly. Finally, you'll need to enter the contact's phone number, and yes, this is mandatory since both our parent mobile app and SMS communication are dependent on a valid phone number. Each template explains this to the side as well, but if you wish to add multiple contact points or family members for a student, all you'll need to do is enter the same student in 2 or more rows, like is done here with Susie. And then you just change the contact name, relationship, and phone number representatively. Now that you have all of your student data filled out, getting into Talking Points is super easy, and you can do this with 1 student or with 20. You'll just need to select all of the cells in which you entered data, copy it, and for most computers this is Control or Command C, and then go back to your Talking Point screen, click on the first cell with student name, and then hit Paste. And then all of your students will be entered one after another into rows, and you can go ahead and hit Add to add them into your account. And there you have it. That's how to use our Excel or Google Sheets template to add multiple students into Talking Points. Thanks for watching, and make sure to check out our other videos for further Talking Points for Teachers help topics.